there's no guarantee that this life is easy. Yeah, we
Hey little bro, Mom told me it was your birthday, so I thought I'd give you a call and wish you happy birthday. I love you so much. I hope you're doing great. I haven't seen you for a while, you know. I'd like to see you soon if that's okay. But I love you. I hope you have a great day. I hope you do amazing, and call me if you ever need anything, okay? Okay, I love you. Bye.
That's been gone, but you used to be mine.
It's impossible to get you off my mind. I think about 100 thoughts and you are 90.
You look happier, you do. I knew one day you'd fall for someone new. But if it breaks your heart,
we won. Yeah. Hey son, I was wondering if you wanted to see a movie. Just the two of us. Nah, I'm okay. Yeah, I understand. Told you I was gonna win, man. I told you. Hey son, I just want to let you know that dinner's ready, so I'll be waiting, okay? So don't take long. Yeah, Dad, I'm just gonna eat here, so don't worry about it. Go eat. Yeah, I'll go eat by myself. Dude, yeah. Wait, hold up, man. Dad. Hold up. Dad, I know you're there.
I can't fucking trust you! I don't fucking love you! Shut the fuck up! Hey, you shut up! Shut the fuck up! Shut up! Shut up! Shut up!
I've been on my rock star skip. You scared the
But I watch your eyes as she walks by. What a sight for sore eyes. Mom? Oh my god, Mom! I'm so happy to be with you. Long time no see, right? Oh, no, that's not my name, but hey, it's okay. I'm just happy that you're out of your coma now. The doctor said you might not remember things anyway, so I was expecting it. But hey, you can call me by my middle name if you want to. My middle name is Vanessa, so you can call me by my middle name. Or you can call me Shoddy or Shorty or whatever you want, okay? That's a fucking Gucci, that's a fucking period, you know the fucking vibes. So, yeah. Welcome back, Mom. We've all missed you.